we are all looking for fulfillment, but you have done what from the time of, let's say when you're a child, your parents define what is fulfillment, but since from the time that you're an adult till I don't know how many years old you are, but let's say you're 40 or whatever, so till then you have done things for your fulfillment. Have you chosen to do things which are and not know, or have you just done it? Tell me.
Chosen also,
and sometimes not done.
Exactly.
Both.
It's both.
It's both. There's a combination.
It's combination of both, right? So that means there are certain situations which are trigger points, right? Which shake what you think is a norm. It shakes a little bit. Then you choose whether to look. Sometimes we go for some quick fixes. Sometimes we go for some very fundamental solutions. So it is all a function of what is, to what extent we help ourselves. It's really, either we have not chosen or we ignore it, exactly, or find a simple way out, exactly. So it's function of both, right? So that means Arjuna has at this point in time chosen to look in the right direction, right? So therefore he is as though a wise person. So that means his knowledge is always there. The nature of Atma is always what it is. The nature of the universe is what it is. The nature of the cause of the universe is what it is. Either we think about it or we don't think about it. That's our choice. The situations will trigger this inquiry, and it depends upon us whether we take that clue and begin to do that inquiry, and how seriously, for how long, are we persistent or not. It's all what? It's up to us.
Depends on us.
Exactly. It entirely depends upon you as to how well you understand the real problem and the nature of the solution. Teacher can only make you think clearly, but a lot of it you have to do exactly. Your own introspection is critical, because you come and listen to me for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and how many hours you spend outside doing other things in 1 week. What is the how much time you've spent on getting some new inputs about your life and whatever the way you have lived your life earlier? How much? How much?
A drop.
It's a drop, right? And the force of how you are for all these years and the belief systems that you have is what? Is it going to just change like that? It is forceful. Now this little input that I'm giving, which is like a drop, how much you're going to carry it forward in your, when you go out of this door?
Depends on you.
It depends upon you. Right? You can have Einstein standing and teaching E is equal to mc square, but if you have no infrastructure, you don't know ABC of physics, or if you don't want to learn enough, then what use is Einstein? Nobody can help you. So that means any learning is a function. That's why so much time is spent on the type of student who is eligible for this knowledge. Every character, if you look at Upanishads, every character who comes to this knowledge is a brilliant character. There are all these, the people who are intelligent, people who are mature, people who are thinking people are the ones who come to this knowledge. Not the people that we think are disenchanted with the world, thinks that they are losers. They still haven't, become, because
that is really the perception.
Sorry?
That is the perception of the people from the outside world, right?
Exactly.
You're gravitating to this because you've got problems.
Exactly.
Yeah,
But many people. Exactly. True. So that means
at a level and left and come because
Absolutely. This whole cliche about spirituality is about people who are going through difficulties in life, which may be true to certain extent because those difficulties trigger certain inquiries. That is, some ways it may be true, right? But it's not. If that was the criteria, who hasn't had difficulty?
Exactly. Yeah.
Everybody has had difficulties in life. They'll all be coming to Vedanta.
They can handle the difficulties and
We can't. So that means they are looking for maybe a simpler solution, whereas you are looking for a much quick fix, whereas you are looking for a very fundamental solution. Gita solutions are brilliant solutions. Brilliant means is just, I mean, these books are mind-boggling books, and so complete and so wise. If you can align your life to what Gita is saying, and I can guarantee in few years you will see a huge transformation. Huge. Okay, but for that you need to let Lord Krishna give him the time and space to make you see what he wants you to see. If you keep on closing your doors by your own free will, nothing can enter. So listen with an open mind, and you will discover how beautiful this teaching is. Okay, so now he says, even though you speak like a wise person, you are not a wise person. So I'm going to teach you that knowledge, knowing which what the Panditas cross the sorrow. Okay, and then he begins to teach the nature of Atma. So that we will see next time.
Beautiful. Really beautiful.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.